Good afternoon, fourth grade online learners. Welcome to another day of science. And you can see in the background, it's a little bit of a cloudy day, but the sun is out and it is shining, as they said in one of my favorite Boston songs. Um, anyway, it's a nice day. It's a cloudy day, but it is sunny and a little bit windy. Today we have our last journal summary for the week based on the website, and we also have our weekly quiz to do that was just recently posted, in case you checked earlier. But we are talking about the circulatory and respiratory systems. A quick review would be to know that the veins carry blood and oxygen back to the heart. The capillary is a tiny blood vessel that connects arteries and veins. The heart is actually a muscular pump. And the artery is a blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart to the capillaries. And the diaphragm, that's spelled kind of funny, so don't think it's a spelling error, but it's Diaphragm. I always forget that G at the end, but it's a dome shaped muscle that helps you breathe. Your lungs, they're in your chest, and the trachea divides the two tubes that enter the lungs, and the lungs are the main system of the respiratory system. And the respiratory system, all those organs work together to take in air and push it back out of your body. There was another question on there about the atrium. The two upper chambers of the heart, the left and right, are called the atrium. And I believe that's it. There might be one. Oh, there's something about red blood cells on there. They pick up and carry oxygen from the lungs. So sometimes when the vocabulary is particularly difficult, um, I try to uh, make some of the choices silly, so that when you look at them, you know right away, just disregard that choice. But you can usually narrow it down to one or two choices and go from there. And hopefully you have a success on your quiz today, and you're able to summarize the website. Again, with the website, we really don't want you to cut and paste your answers. I did have one student email me that said, Mr. Monzo, I did cut and paste my answer, but then I added to it and I put my opinion in there. And I thought that was a good strategy, because it wasn't like they just grabbed the whole paragraph. Um, but it's better to read that article or that website first, get an idea of what it's about, and those 3 sentences, 3 to 5 sentences, it'll come real easy if you read a little bit. All right, we are learning a little bit about this in fifth grade also, so I'm going to prepare for that video. And my favorite Boston song, Don't Look Back, try to listen to that later today. All right, third grade, we will see you next week. I'm sorry, fourth grade. See you next week. Bye.